It's on the back porch. It's on the back porch. Come see.
It doesn't matter.
Will you come see? Because he needs to replant it or throw it out. Now you're going to water it after you pulled him up?
Let your mom see first what it is. Let her go and see.
It's a joke, I'm sure.
No, it's not.
I feel it is grass.
He thinks it's grass.
Where?
Alright, to the left. Straight ahead.
Here?
Yeah.
This is grass.
Okay, what's that little red dot on it?
Flower.
Okay. Don't you want to save the dirt and shake it off the dirt?
No. Grass goes out in the yard. It's time to eat, boys. Go wash your hands.
Isn't that grass? That's grass, no? Then I know that it is grass. Simply all Ashley is doing it.
While I have you here, honey, can I ask you 2 questions? Hubby? Hubby? There is no lock on the door. No locks.
Yeah, not from it. They call it